Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can label all your incoming emails automatically with this labeling agent. As you can see, I'm going to open up my Gmail. As you can see, all the emails, incoming emails are labeled automatically with this labeling agent here that basically triggers whenever someone sends an email, analyzes it with the GPT 4.1 Nano, and then adds a label to this email. So first and foremost, I'm going to quickly show you the emails, what this agent has labeled for me. So in this case, let's quickly navigate to Gmail, and you can see on the left side, you can see all the labels. As you can see, business inquiries, invoices and payment requests, others, and security alerts. So in this case, quickly navigate back to email labeling agent, and then I'm going to quickly show you as well how it works. So now let's quickly test it out as well, so you have better overview how this master works. So as you can see, interested in your AI automation services, and there's the email. Here we're basically talking about that we are interested in the AI automation services, and the AI agent should label this as a business inquiry. So let's quickly test it out. So I'm gonna hit send. Here you can see, and by the way, labeling this email would take maximum 1 minute. Because the trigger activates every 1 minute. I can quickly show you as well. As you can see, here's the Gmail trigger, what we are using, and you can see poll times mode. This triggers every minute. So let's quickly navigate back, and you can see I'm going to quickly hit refresh, and it should be now labeled. There you can see business inquiry. So let's quickly open this, and you can see I've been following your work on AI automations, and I'm seriously impressed. We are currently looking to streamline few internal processes, and your solutions seem like exactly what we need. So and so on and so on. So now I'm going to break this agent down for us as well. So in this case, I'm going to quickly hit execute workflow. And by the way, if you want the system to be automatic, make sure to activate as well. Here you can see this activate button, turn this one on, and this system runs automatically in the background. So it labels all your incoming emails. So as you can see, let's quickly move on. So I can show you. You can see it's gonna pull the latest email from my Gmail. You can see this is the latest email what we have. This is the email what we sent. Interested in your AI automation services. So let's quickly navigate back, and you can see I'm gonna open up this Gmail trigger here, and I'm gonna scroll right until I can see text, and you can see here's the email. I have been following your work on AI automations, and I'm really seriously impressed. So as you can see, and in this case for the poll times, we are using every minute. This means the trigger activates every minute, and it's gonna pull all the emails what received every minute. Very easy. So in there you can by the way change this to every hour, every day, every week, and every month as well. But in this case, I recommend choosing the every minute because this is the minimum time what we can use. So let's quickly move on, and you can see for the event we are using message received. This basically means this trigger will activate whenever we get new email. And for the simplify, I'm using off, so we can get all the information from the Gmail, all the subjects, dates, to and so on and so on. So you can see, let's quickly move on. The next node what we're using is a text classifier. I'm going to quickly break this down for you as well. So this text classifier agent is going to basically analyze all the incoming text. I'm going to quickly show you as well. As you can see, text to classify, and here we have this email subject and the email input of the text. I'm going to quickly show you as well. Here you can get it. Just scroll a bit down. Here you can see under the headers. Here you can see subject. Just drag and drop it inside this, and the other one as well. Oops, JSON.text. Just scroll a bit down until you can see text here, and just drag and drop it inside this box, and you're good to go. And you can see interested in your AI automation services. This is basically the text that this agent is gonna analyze with the ChatGPT model. So you can see, let's quickly move on. Yeah, we have this ChatGPT model here as well. In this case, I'm gonna use the GPT 4.1 Nano because I think it's very good analyzing text. So as you can see, let's quickly navigate back inside the labeling agent. Here you can see, and there we have 4 different categories. We have this invoice and payment requests, security alerts, business inquiries, and others. So I'm going to quickly break them down for you as well. Here you can see emails that include invoices, receipts, subscription renewals, payments, payment requests, or billing related documents for services, products, collaborations, or platform tools. So all the emails what contain these things will be sent to this invoice channel, so we can basically label them as invoices and payment requests. So you can see the next one is security alerts, all the emails that are related to system vulnerabilities, unauthorized access, password branches, suspicious login attempts, phishing warnings, or any other potential security threats to accounts services, or data will be labeled as security threats. So you can see, let's quickly move on. Next one is business inquiries. All the general business emails such as business inquiries about services, meetings, press, partnerships, or operational topics that don't fit under specific financial or legal categories will be labeled as the business inquiries. So the fourth and last one is others. All other emails that do not match the description of previous labels will be labeled as others. So you can see, I'm going to quickly zoom in here as well. And down here, I opened this option and I added the system prompt template. This will be sent to the AI along with the text what we have inside these and the category, and with the email what we got. So you can see, classify the input into one of the following categories, all the 4 categories what we have, the others, business inquiries, and so on and so on. Following the formatting instructions exactly, return only valid JSON, no explanation. So you can see, and then we're gonna send all the information to over a chat model. In this case, we have ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will analyze it, and then we're gonna send it to one of the 4 following categories. As you can see, in this case, we sent the email to the business inquiries. I'm gonna quickly zoom in. Here you can see ID, fair ID, and labeled as a important, but in this case, it's actually a business inquiry. Here you can see business inquiry branch, and schema as well. You can see here we have this text. I've been following your work on AI automations. I'm seriously impressed. And we sent this to business inquiries. By the way, you can change all the categories as well and descriptions if you want to with ChatGPT. So for example, you are a legal business, you can just take a screenshot of this and send this to ChatGPT and tell him what to change this to. So you can see, I'm going to quickly close this. So you can see we outputted all the data through this business inquiries branch and send all the data to this business inquiries Gmail notes. I'm going to quickly open this for you. So you can see for the resources, we're using message. Operation will be add label because we want to add label to these emails. And there's the message ID as well. This is just dragged from the labeling agent, and ID just drag it inside here and you're good to go. So you can see, quickly move on. You can see here's the labels as well. I'm going to show you how you can create the labels inside the Gmail. So in this case, let's quickly open up the Gmail. And you can see bottom left, you can see labels. Click on this plus, what you can see. And it's going to open up this new label. And here you can basically name your label. I'm going to put n8n test. You don't have to put anything here. Just click create. And you can see just like that, you have this n8n test here. And if you want to change the colors, just click on these 3 dots, what you see here, and label color, and just change your color to whatever you want to. So as you can see, and now let's quickly make it back to n8n. And you can see, open up this and scroll a bit down until you can see n8n test. You can see n8n test, just pick this one. And by the way, if you don't know how to connect your credentials, I will link the video down below as well, how you can connect your Gmail or Google Drive or Google Calendar credentials. So make sure to check it out if you don't have it yet. And you can see, you're good to go. And you can see now, let's quickly add the n8n test label. So I'm gonna hit execute workflow, and once this is done, we should see the same email, the business inquiry what we did before with the n8n test label. So let's quickly navigate to Gmail, and you can see I'm gonna hit refresh, and you can see n8n test. And you can see now we have this n8n test label.